So we've just gone over the text tool, and what I want to do now is get into a little more of the creative side of Flash. So I'm actually going to, well, no, I'll leave that open for now. In fact, what I'm going to do is dock it. Remember how we were talking before about how you can just dock different things? So it's still here. If I click Properties, it comes back up. And then if I click this arrow, away it goes. And in fact, I want to get rid of some of these. So just so you know, you can customize your interface to fit the screen. Get rid of a lot of the windows that you don't need. Okay, so now we have our properties here and our toolbar here. So next tool, real simple tool, it's the line tool. Allows you to draw lines. What's so special about that it needs its own video? Well, there are a few other options. If you come to the end of the line tool, you'll see this cursor that gives you a right angle. It means you can click and drag and move the position. If you come to the middle, you can bend it. So, a couple of options there. If you double click on it, it will select it. Go to your properties again. This is the same interface that we were using for the text properties. Basically, a lot of the tools have their own property options. So right here we can see, well, what color do we want that stroke? Let's make it red. So you can see right here, updated. I'll move this up here for you. Do we want it to be solid, dotted, kind of irregular? There are a bunch of different options here. Let me turn this up. This allows me to make it thick or thin. I mean, we can go crazy with this, but let's make a nice thick stroke. The problem is, if you do a nice thick stroke, you won't see the dotted line because of how thick each stroke is. So we can only see that if we turn this down and then deselect. Let me turn that up just a little bit more. So now you can see the dotted line.